to be Vieira there. Ball through for Roofe, who's onside. Roofe, real chance. Roofe, goal! Leeds have turned this match around. And
Big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much again for joining MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for using the small time out of your day, your busy day, to hit that notification and see the video. And also, since you're already here, since you're already there, just hit the like button. And if you're here for the first time, if the first time your company ends, hit the subscribe button and come back again. Because we have good news. We always have good news. Sometimes you're going to like your video. Sometimes you're not going to like your video. Sometimes you're going to agree with the video. Sometimes you won't agree with the video. And sometimes you're going to see some video where you want to say, no, some more fight MG. That's how you go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for tuning in. All right, so at this present moment, there's potentially, we might have another Reggae Boy in the EPL or in the EFL. English Premier League or the EFL. Just so you go. Anyways, so apparently Sheffield United, Fulham, and Southampton, Queen's Park Rangers are all plotting a move for Kemar Roofe. You already see him face on the thumbnails that him what about. So there's no hide, there's no secret here. The sources have told Football Insiders the 31-year-old is out of contract this summer, and yet there has been no new deal agreed to keep him at Ibrox. Now, you have to wonder why they not keep him. Since he's actually a good striker for them, why are they keeping him? I strongly that the recurrence of injuries are one issue. Maybe that's something that they need to move away from. But definitely, he's a good striker on the market. Clubs will want him. News of Roofe availability on a potential free transfer has alerted a number of clubs in England who are looking to bolster their attacking option for next season. A club like Sheffield, who struggled through the EPL, I think they need it. Even since Fulham lose Mitrovic, I think them really bounce back from that as yet. So I do think that an experienced striker, a European experienced striker, would be very, very crucial to their attack. Roofe, who's back to full fitness after a stop-start season, is a proven goal scorer, having helped Rangers win the Scottish Premier League in his debut season, and then also played a key role in the club reaching the Europa League final the following season. Rangers ace Kemar Roofe wanted by quartet of English side. The former Leeds and West Brom ace arrived at Rangers for a fee around £4.5 million from Belgian side Anderlecht in 2020. Roofe has made 98 appearances in all competition for Rangers, scoring 38 goals and providing 7 assists. I thought, based off how technical he is, I actually always thought that he'd actually have a lot more assists than that. But no, that is football. Premier League duo, Fulham and Sheffield United, as well as Championship peers Southampton and QPR, are monitoring Roofe's situation at Ibrox and see him as being one of the best free agents coming around this summer. Interesting. I'm kind of interested in this story leaks so fast, knowing say boy is a good striker and he's going to on the market. So I do believe that there's going to be a big toss and pull for him closer we get to the opening of the transfer market. The Gears remain second in the league after their sensational 3-3 draw against Old Firm rival Celtic on Sunday, April 7th. They are next in action against Ross County at midday Sunday, 14th of April. Okay, no matter what other news. Anyways, for me, I think ideally, I personally want him to go to Fulham. I would want him to go to Fulham because Fulham is kind of one of those clubs who are kind of a bit more stable, especially in the Premier League. They are a bit more stable, even though I'm probably going to give my team a little bit more problems. But for his sake, I would prefer him to go to Fulham. And Bobby Reid is there. You know, Bobby Reid not really going anywhere because Bobby Reid and Fulham love Bobby Reid. So no, Bobby Reid not really going anywhere. So he has someone to help him bed into the team, someone to help him understand and the era, the London era. So I think where Fulham is concerned, I think it's ideally a good look for them in my look estimate. But definitely the other options are there. I think Sheffield will be battling again to come back in the Premier League next year. Southampton challenging as well. QPR. I think QPR is actually a solid team in the Championship. So these are good options presented for him. I would love for him to come into the Premier League because the Premier League option always looks better, you know, where the money, the finances are concerned, the competitive nature is concerned, playing up against the big teams, the big boys. And also, for my sake, as a Reggae Boy fan, having another Reggae Boy in the Premier League. Goes to say, you know, kind of wonder, why won't I really see Roofe back in the squad? Will we ever see Roofe back in the national team? I think when he come play for us, he tend to do well. Kind of surprised we haven't seen him back in such a long while. Or maybe it's just the same injury issues have been what's actually been keeping him out. And maybe since he's back to full fitness now, we might see him later down the stage, maybe Gold Cup, maybe World Cup qualifiers, and maybe Copa. Just saying, it would be interesting to see such an experience and also with quality coming to the team for those games. Anyways, not going to stay any longer with you guys. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Which team do you think ideally you'd want to see him go to? In my view, I think these are all good options. Go into the comment section. Tell us what you think about this. Big up yourself, Kemar Roofe. Go on, do your work. And sure, say, yeah, get the bread. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. MG Sports TV. This has been a good one. Peace out. God bless. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Hey. Boom. Big up. We're out.